the rock pit, and we just drove over the Mackinac Bridge. We're on our way up to the Keweenaw Peninsula. We're going to take a trail all the way around the Keweenaw Peninsula, but before then we're going to take a quick pit stop over at Jasper Knob because Scott is insistent that there's something really cool there, so we'll find out.
Find the Jasper. Good girl. Girl. Keep going. You got it. Come on, pup. Just walking up on it, you can see a big chunk. That's my foot for comparison. Come on, girl, it's not Sasquatch. Come on. More, and I can see the color. Waxy nature. Very, very cool. Big outcrop here. We're parked down here somewhere. See layers out there. I don't know if that's a pit mine or what. You can see these crazy bands of lights in it. All these ants all over it too. Some brilliant color. So where I was just a second ago down there is where that crazy cut of it was. A little more eroded. Alright, so I'm standing on a big ant mine right here. Check out these crazy colors. It's pretty awesome. See the town a little bit. Just kind of on a little point, high point in town. Over here you get a good view of Ishpeming. Pretty cool. Some jerk left his can of whatever. Some broken glass. People aren't too cool about keeping it super nice, unfortunately. Man, there's downtown. We just got some really awesome sandwiches from this store over here. Oh, and there's the mine tower. Look at them color striations and variations. Couple little guys I'll take home, see if they polish up nice. What do you think, Ladybug? Feeling better, I can tell. A little more inquisitive, a little more energy to walk around and sniff things. So his meds must be doing their job. You can tell it's kind of cut and flow from the flow of the water, shaped a little bit by that. And then obvious snow and freezing cycles. And then the banding is kind of tilted too, which I think has to do with geological upset over here. Overall, pretty damn cool. Julie had a full belly and she's a little hot and tired from the drive here. It's 92 degrees or whatever. Which is the temperature people go crazy. So she wanted to stay in the car. So she didn't get to see it, but I took her video, and Ladybug and I came and saw it for ourselves. She's got her expert mountain climbing skills. Good girl. Let's go back and get us a nice little boulder, and we'll check that one last little creek right down that ledge here. We'll stick our nose in that crevice. So we're just off the hill. I don't know if this is masked off or fenced off for safety, or somebody owns it. Probably a little bit of both. But we'll go over here and take a peek. Lots of beautiful chunks. Ladybug, come here. Lots of beautiful chunks of jasper just blowing out. Come on, girl. Not going to be an a-hole. I'm just going to step in here and. Wow. There you can see it goes down. Looks like there's a body of water at the bottom of that, which is pretty cool. Definitely know where in the hell I'm going down there. I'll stick around 2 more seconds and get me a nice chunk of Jasper from my desk, and I'm out.